Welcome back to Cruiser Motorcycles. Thank you for waiting for this video. Today, we have 10 best beginner adventure motorcycles for 2025. Suzuki V-Strom 650 XT. MSRP €9,490. Engine 645 cubic centimeters V-twin. Power 70 horsepower. Torque 62 Newton meters. Transmission 6-speed. Seat height 835 mm. Weight 230 kilograms. Fuel capacity 20 liters. Features ABS, traction control, adjustable windscreen, comfortable ergonomics, and a wide range of accessories. The Suzuki V-Strom 650 XT is a well-rounded adventure bike that's perfect for both on-road and light off-road riding. Its reliable V-twin engine offers a smooth ride, while the comfortable seat and ergonomic design ensure long-distance comfort. With excellent fuel efficiency and a reputation for durability, this bike is a great choice for new riders. Royal Enfield Himalayan 450. MSRP €7,100. Engine 450 cubic centimeters single cylinder. Power 39 horsepower. Torque 40 Newton meters. Transmission 6-speed. Seat height 800 mm. Weight 199 kilograms. Fuel capacity 15 liters. Features: off-road focus suspension, tripper navigation system, durable chassis, and luggage options. The Royal Enfield Himalayan 450 brings a rugged charm to the adventure bike segment. Its lightweight design and torquey engine make it ideal for tackling rough terrains. With a classic styling and modern features, the Himalayan is perfect for beginners looking to dive into the adventure riding world. Triumph Tiger Sport 660. MSRP $9,695. Engine 660 cubic centimeters inline 3-cylinder. Power 80 horsepower. Torque 64 Newton meters. Transmission 6-speed. Seat height 835 mm. Weight 206 kilograms. Fuel capacity 17 liters. Features: TFT display, riding modes, LED lights, adjustable windscreen, and comfortable seating. The Triumph Tiger Sport 660 offers a blend of performance and comfort, making it an excellent option for newcomers. Its 660 cubic centimeters engine delivers smooth power delivery, while the adjustable windscreen and comfortable seat ensure a pleasant riding experience. The Tiger Sport's agile handling also makes it perfect for navigating city streets and winding roads. Yamaha Tenere 700 World Raid. MSRP £11,910. Engine 689 cubic centimeters parallel twin. Power 72 horsepower. Torque 68 Newton meters. Transmission 6-speed. Seat height 880 mm. Weight 204 kilograms. Fuel capacity 23 liters. Features: long travel suspension, dual channel ABS, robust frame, and off-road capability. The Yamaha Tenere 700 World Raid is designed for serious adventure seekers. Its lightweight frame and 689 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine provide impressive off-road capabilities, while the long suspension travel helps absorb rough terrain. With a strong focus on durability and reliability, this bike is ready for any adventure. Benelli TRK 502. MSRP not applicable. Engine 500 cubic centimeters parallel twin. Power 47 horsepower. Torque 46 Newton meters. Transmission 6-speed. Seat height 800 mm. Weight 235 kilograms. Fuel capacity 20 liters. Features: comfortable seat, adjustable windscreen, dual-channel ABS, and storage options. The Benelli TRK 502 is an affordable entry-level adventure bike that doesn't skimp on features. With its 500 cubic centimeters engine, it strikes a good balance between power and manageability. The TRK 502 comes equipped with comfortable seating and modern technology, making it a great choice for beginners. Honda NX 500. MSRP £6,799. Engine 471 cubic centimeters parallel twin. Power 47 horsepower. Torque 43 Newton meters. Transmission 6-speed. Seat height 830 millimeters. Weight 198 kilograms. Fuel capacity 12 liters. Features: LED lighting, digital display, ABS, and a comfortable riding position. The Honda NX 500 is a compact and lightweight adventure motorcycle that's easy to handle. Its reliable engine and user-friendly controls make it a perfect entry-level option. With Honda's renowned engineering and build quality, the NX 500 provides confidence for new riders venturing off the beaten path. KTM 390 Adventure. MSRP €7,690. Engine 373 cubic centimeters single cylinder. Power 44 horsepower. Torque 37 Newton meters. Transmission 6-speed. Seat height 855 millimeters. Weight 177 kilograms. Fuel capacity 14.5 liters. Features: TFT display, cornering ABS, off-road mode, and lightweight construction. The KTM 390 Adventure is known for its agility and lightweight design. Equipped with a 373 cubic centimeters engine, it offers enough power for both city commuting and light off-roading. The bike features advanced technology, including ride-by-wire throttle and cornering ABS, making it a smart choice for beginners. Moto Morini Milano X-Cape 650. MSRP €7,190. Engine 649 cubic centimeters parallel twin. Power 60 horsepower. Torque 54 Newton meters. Transmission 6-speed. Seat height 840 millimeters. Weight 225 kilograms. Fuel capacity 18 liters. Features: stylish design, comfortable seating, and good storage solutions. The Moto Morini Milano X-Cape 650 combines modern aesthetics with practical features. Its 649 cubic centimeters engine provides ample power, while the comfortable ergonomics make it suitable for longer rides. The X-Cape also features good storage options, ideal for adventure touring. CF Moto 450 metric tons. MSRP €7,799. Engine 450 cubic centimeters single cylinder. Power 42 horsepower. Torque 39 Newton meters. Transmission 6-speed. Seat height 795 millimeters. Weight 198 kilograms. Fuel capacity 12 liters. Features: TFT display, ABS, comfortable ergonomics, and good value for money. The CF Moto 450 metric tons is an affordable option that offers a lot of bang for your buck. Its 449 cubic centimeters engine delivers a balanced performance, while the bike is equipped with features like a TFT display and LED lighting. The 450 metric tons is an excellent choice for those just starting their adventure riding journey. BMW G310 GS. MSRP $5,890. Engine 313 cubic centimeters single cylinder. Power 34 horsepower. Torque, 28 Newton meters. Transmission, 6-speed. Seat height, 835 millimeters. Weight, 169 kilograms. Fuel capacity, 11 liters. Features: quality build, ABS, good suspension, and excellent maneuverability. The BMW G310 GS is a compact adventure bike that is perfect for new riders. Its low seat height and lightweight frame make it easy to handle, while the 313 cubic centimeters engine provides enough power for city riding and light trails. With BMW's reputation for quality and performance, the G310 GS is a solid entry into the adventure bike market.